We've identified really two key issues in the landscape/irrigation industries, right? Number one being lack of people, right? We can't find enough people to continue to hit our growth goals. Number two, which what we're going to talk about here today, is lack of process. The industry has such a lack of organization, right? Lack of process to capture all of our billable opportunities to continue to hit our growth goals in a highly profitable division, which is our irrigation repair revenue. And so what we've done here at SmartLink, powered by Weathermatic, is basically streamline that whole process for you and your team to capture all of your billable opportunities and to make the inspection to proposal to invoice process so much easier. And so I was going to share with you today a couple talking points of how we have helped the industry overall evolve and grow to where we want to be. The biggest pain points we've seen in the industry is it's a complete paper trail, right? You've got your irrigation tech out there in the field, writing down issues on a piece of paper and a pen, not really knowing, how to take it to the next step, right? We're taking that piece of paper back to the office, stuffing it onto someone's desk, having a stack of paper pile up, and whenever your office manager is there, going through everything, it's almost like oh my goodness, what do I do? And so here, what we've done with our customers is completely automate and streamline that process. And so number one, right, instead of having a piece of paper, it's all on a tablet, all on a phone, where your team is out there in the field, able to log exactly what's going wrong out there in the field, whether it's a broken spray head, a broken valve, mainline issue, mainline leak, et cetera, with zone descriptions describing exactly where that zone is to help identify where our team needs to go. And then, two other things are we're able to log notes telling exactly what we need to do. And probably the biggest thing, which is take a picture of the issue out there in the field, because we know the old saying, right? A picture's worth 1,000 words, but in this case, I'm gonna be a little cheesy and say it might be worth $1,000. And so we've seen with this completely elevate the game and have our partners and our customers have more success in generating billable opportunities and capturing those billable opportunities overall. So from here, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna walk you through a couple things with SmartLink and show you how we've taken our inspection tool, proposal tool, our insights tab, and our integrations with business softwares to help you streamline and automate the process. First off, wanted to walk you through our inspection tool. As you can see here, instead of having a pen and paper process, we've got everything that you need right here on either your phone or a tablet. So if you walk over here, you can see that there's zone descriptions identifying exactly where our team needs to go. That way we can be efficient and not have to guess where each and every zone is. So you come in here, zone 1 is on, running. We come in here, say, hey, we've got a broken spray head on zone 1. Boom. Now in the background, kind of step number 2 comes into play, which is our proposal tool. And so here, you're able to identify what part that we need here, whether it's a 4, 6, or 12-inch spray. All we gotta do is click add, press done, come in here, add any additional notes that we may need. And as you can tell, it actually learns your most frequently used comments for this section. So I can come in here, click, hey, see broken spray head, save and close. We can come in here and add a picture. So we're gonna add the picture, save that, and now we're walking into really step number 2, which is the proposal piece. And so all we have to do in SmartLink is generate a proposal. We have multiple different options here for pricing list. So you can have your standard price list, whether you're commercial, residential, does not matter. You can load in as many price lists as you want. And all we gotta do is generate this new proposal. As we can see here, now the proposal has been generated. It's going to send a notification to our account manager or office manager, whoever is in charge of tracking and sending that proposal out. From here, all we gotta do is press send. We're gonna send that to our customer for their approval. Next, we're gonna cover our Insights tab. In Insights, you're able to track your goals and your pipeline of what we need to accomplish quarterly, monthly, etc. In the top right, you can see that we have a scoreboard of all of our techs and how many completions that they've completed and what total percentage of all the inspections that they've done. If you scroll down here a little bit more, we can see what was our targeted inspections for the year, what was our inspections actually completed, how many proposals have we delivered, and how many proposals have been overall accepted. With this, we completely take the guessing game out of the picture. We're no longer relying on human memory, and we have a pipeline helping us track and identify every single invoice that we've sent out to our customer. After this process, SmartLink is able to integrate with some of the leading business operational platforms in the industry, such as Aspire, Boss, and QuickBooks. So from here, we take all of our data that we've completed, so our inspection, our proposal, our invoice, our job has been complete, and all that we have to do is export that over to those operational platforms, and that job is now marked as complete. So overall with SmartLink, we have our inspection tool that helps eliminate the paper trail. We have our proposal tool that eliminates all of the admin time in your office and puts those people in the best opportunity to continue to generate revenue. We have our pipeline where we're able to track and identify all of our outstanding invoices and the ability to integrate with your operational platforms to streamline the entire process for you and your organization.